Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. If you have not been following my YouTube stories, then you would not really know about the seat covers or the extended roof. I try to make YouTube stories throughout the week, and I'm really trying to make an impression for 2021 this year, so I'm trying to upload as much as I can. I did not make a video about the staple-on seat covers because there's a ton of videos already. However, one thing about the seat cover that I did not like, and it's right here behind the seat cover. You can see all the staples, you can see all the stretched vinyl on the seat back itself, and it does not look very eye-appealing. And you know, majority of the people might not notice it. I notice it, I know it's there, and I want to, trim it up a little bit, make it look a little bit more cleaner. So I ran across a seat back cap for a 2004 and up club car Precedent. I'm going to be installing this today on the golf cart. We're going to cover that up and make it look a lot better. Stay tuned. Now, in order to get started, we need to remove this bolt back here that's holding the back of the seat here to the golf cart. It's going to be a 10mm size wrench. Go ahead and grab that and remove the seat. There's going to be one on the driver's side. There's going to be one on the passenger side. Now, I have the seat just propped up on the back of the golf cart to show you what it looks like. You can see all the staples, all the pulled vinyl. I just don't like the way it looks. The only thing we need to do is to slide this cover here over the seat, like so. From the back it looks finished. We don't have any staples showing. We don't have any excess vinyl showing. Now we just need to reinstall the seat. So there it is, guys. Tell me what you think. Is this right here worth the small investment to make your seat look a lot better? In my opinion, this is a game changer. It's the little things like this right here that makes a good looking golf cart look better. I'm so glad I went this right here route. It actually matches the back seats here. You know, that looks really good there. It just looks finished. Does it not look finished? So I'll put a link in the description below where you can check that out. Be sure to check out some of these other videos here. Subscribe to the Fentertainment channel, and we'll see every one of you guys on the next video.